Dearest heart, be careful. You have disturbed its sleep, and now you can't control its energy. It's very powerful and mysterious, and now it is searching your location to know the exact strength of your soul. Now, neither can you escape its gaze. Now can you take your step back. So, it is necessary to choose strength and face the unknown with courage. My child, actually, it's the product of your sacred efforts or practices. We know you have been attempting to awaken a special deity within yourself and your family. And the latest update is that it has finally responded to your prayers. But it may put you through a test before it reveals itself to you. For this, it has sent one of its special protectors that can bring you to an urgent state at any moment. This protector may seem unnatural or more like a threat or a toxic influence. You can catch a glimpse of it through your dreams and lose all your control, all your comfort in an instant. You can also judge it through its appearance and do something to destroy its energy, its presence. So, it is necessary to stay balanced and focused and not take any wrong step out of fear, as that may accelerate your challenges and intensify the test of your inner strength. So now, as it's clear, the path forward is the only way. You just need to balance your energy and shield yourself from negativity. This protector is a guardian of balance, ensuring the energy exchange between you and the deity remains aligned with your highest path. So don't fear if, in the coming days, synchronicities intensify, messages come through various channels, or you notice unusual coincidences or feel an unexplained presence. That time you just need to remember you have disturbed a force that's now attuned to your essence. It's ancient, potent, and drawn to your inner strength. It doesn't respond to fear. It feeds on the energy of those who face the unknown and embrace transformation. So just believe it, embrace it, and let it reveal profound truths. The choice is yours, but know that turning back is not an option. Fear will bind you, but courage will set you free. With infinite love, thank you.